Excessive fouling in the convection section of fired heaters and furnaces results in higher fuel consumption to achieve the required output. This causes high stack temperatures, reduced heat transfer, and increased emissions, which can lead to government fines and environmental damage. Fouling occurs when deposits accumulate on the tube surfaces. It can come from several sources, including contaminated fuel, combustion process, the surrounding environment, or fiber refractory particulate. IGS TubeTech's robotic fouling removal system is controlled remotely. Using a bespoke lance, it penetrates deep between tube rows to remove more than 90% of fouling. With pre-programmed furnace specs, the robot can reach every row of tubes no matter their size. Fouling is removed safely without the use of harmful chemicals. The robot's advanced sensor system adjusts to warped tubes and bends, ensuring precise fouling removal without refractory damage. With 90% plus surface area clean guaranteed, our clients see a reduction in stack temperatures, restoration of design heat transfer, less fuel used, lower CO2 and NOx emissions, an improvement in asset life, and a short payback period. After a comprehensive thermal efficiency study, IGS experts determine your efficiency improvement and the payback period, as well as projected improvement based on your objectives such as fuel or emissions reduction, capacity increase, or a combination of both. Contact us to evaluate your furnaces and see how your plant is set to benefit.